So do you need a strategy that could change your entire day trading life and make you a millionaire? Then this is it. Hello everybody, so today we're looking at a simple trading strategy on the Forex markets. Bit off topic to the crypto that we usually talk about, but we just want to show you guys that we do venture into all sorts of Forex, crypto and stocks as well. Now I started with Forex many years ago and have been doing it for over 4 years now, been profitable for the past 2 years. So all we have to start with is the Asian range, which is by Nico 948D, which you can find over in your indicators simply by searching Asian range, and it comes straight up at the top there. Now this range will be this here, which is the Asian trading session on the markets on GBP USD, because this trading strategy works the best with this pair. It does work with Euro USD, however I just favoritise GBP USD as I find it, I don't even know, I just find it better. So anyway, this strategy, as you can see, it marks out our highs and the lows of the Asian session. What we're looking for is step 1, liquidity. Now, liquidity swipes for either the lows or the highs of the last session, because that is where our liquidity pool lies. This is money in the market that is waiting to be grabbed. As you can see, we swept the liquidity to the downside. So this already gives us an alert that we are looking for buys, because we need to take out that high side liquidity, or buy side liquidity, sorry. So after that, what we did at that point was jump to the 15-minute, and we shall find, which trade was it? It was this one here. You can see all my history of my trades that I've been taking. Now on the 15-minute, we saw this like engulfing / reversal candle here, which gave us an alert that it was going from the downside back to the up slightly. Yes, not a full change of character, but a slight reversal that I was looking for. So this made me then drop. That was today's trade, unfortunately lost. So this made me then drop to the 5-minute chart. Now on the 5-minute chart, this was where the engulfing candles were. It was these two here. Now there wasn't really much on there that I was looking at other than the fact that there may be a fair value gap in here on the 1 minute, and with that it was a change of character here / a break of structure. So I knew now if I could go down to the 1 minute and find myself a fair value gap, then I would be able to enter a trade. So on the 1 minute here, you can see we have a fair value gap here, which we bounced back into after breaking the structure already. And then what I waited for was just another simple break of structure here. And I got my entry on there with my stop loss, which always goes at the bottom of the liquidity sweep, because that is where the new liquidity lies. The take profit at the top of the buy side liquidity, and as you can see, after a little while it finally hit that, and that was a 3.5% trade that we took. Now this works nearly, not every day, but it works at least twice a week, I'd say, my personal experience. You can see swept liquidity here, but it was past our normal trading time, so we didn't get one there. We did have another one, however, on the day before that, 3.5% again. I will just stay on the 1 minute for this. So as you can see, swept liquidity, sorry. Also went into a demand area on the 15-minute chart, which is why this block is here. We did have another demand area here. Along with, there was a fair value gap in here. I don't know why the drawing is all over the place. It just, yeah, I mucked up a bit with the drawing. But anyway, we entered off of the break of structure here, which it took me a minute or two to actually get in after the break of structure, because I was just like half asleep at that time still. But as you can see, another one went up into the loss a little bit, but then straight down to our take profit, and that was by 9:30. So that's 2 hours to make 3.5%. Now in the 2 days we've traded that is 7%. However, today we have had a loss. Now I'll show you today's loss, because it shows you that even though you stick to your strategy, stick to your strategy, that sometimes you will just have losses anyway. Now here we are. If I go down onto it, you can see here sweep of liquidity. Looking for a fair value gap now, because we had a break of, well, change of character / break of structure here. Now this pointed us back into the buy side, and that will be heading upwards after the sweep of liquidity. Now we waited for the fair value gap, which one formed here on the 1 minute. So once we broke that and broke the structure, which is here, we entered in for a buy. Obviously, take profit to buy side liquidity, and stop loss was at the sell side new liquidity. But unfortunately, don't even know what happened. This one just went straight to the stop loss. You could have gotten a trade at 9 o'clock a bit later. However, that kind of goes just past the time that you should do this at.